Oliver, Luna, and Max were street cats living harmoniously in the city. Every evening, they roamed their favorite narrow alleyways in search of food and a place to rest. One day, they discovered a shivering little kitten by a dumpster. Trusting their instincts, the three cats helped the kitten. Oliver went out to find food, Luna provided a warm shelter, and Max kept watch over their surroundings. As days passed, they supported one another through the hardships of street life, and their bond became a real-life example of love and solidarity.